Assalamu alaikum. Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today in this video lesson, we are going to study the chapter The Race. Okay. Last class we have studied this lesson, that is 2 pages we completed. Now we are going to continue this lesson. Did you all see my video? All should watch the video regularly. Okay? Then only you can understand the lesson. So this lesson I am going to sum up again and you listen that, and we will continue later. Okay? What is the lesson name? The Race. Written by Nisha Punjabi. The Race is a short story. Okay. So, it is the story of Tarun. Last class I told no, Tarun is a boy. It is a story of a boy whose name is Tarun. A brilliant athlete. Athlete means what? He is a sportsman whose talents were not recognized by his family for a long time. Tarun has talent in athlete field, but his family didn't recognize his talent for a long time. Having felt lost and unwanted, okay, he felt unwanted. Tarun lived a miserable childhood until he met Ram Narayanan. Okay, so he lived a miserable life in his childhood until he met Ram Narayan. Okay, we have seen no last class the boy and the old man is having a conversation between them. So Ram Narayanan is a great athlete. So the boy met the Ram Narayanan. Both have a conversation. No, until Ram Narayanan, a well-known coach of his days, met him in a park. So, where he met him, Ram Narayanan, he met in the park. Now, all of you take out your English textbook. We have completed this one, this page, and then we are going to start page number 10. Okay, where we have stopped. So, Ram Narayanan seemed pretty serious. I will train you. If you want, I put forward a condition. So, Ram Narayanan speaking to the boy, and he was telling, I will give you training for you. Okay, I will give you training for you, but one condition is there. Okay, who is telling? Ram Narayan. Ram Narayanan is telling to the boy, I'll give you training for you, but there is one condition is there. What is your condition? Tarun voice showed curiosity and anxiety. So Tarun was very curiosity. He want to know what is that condition. What is your condition, sir? Tarun's voice showed curiosity and anxiety. There is a race on children. So now Ram Narayanan replying to the boy. There is a race on Children's Day at the Nehru Stadium. Children of your age are competing there. So there is a competition is going to held in Nehru Stadium. Children of your age is going to participate in the race. If you participate and win that race, so Ram Narayanan is telling, if you participate and win that race, I will promise, I will start training you. So if you win the race, I'll give you training for you. Okay. Who is telling? Ram Narayanan telling to the boy. There is a big, so now the boy is replying. So it is a conversation between Ram Narayanan and the boy. There is a big deal. I can do it. So the boy is telling, I can do it, sir. Thought Tarun, I will, sir. He heard himself saying with a complete conviction. What do you mean by conviction? Conviction means strong belief. Okay? So, what he is telling, I can win the race. He has so much of confidence. Okay? So now Ram Narayanan is replying, fine boy, it is my job to get you entry in the race. So it's my job to get you entry in the race. And remember, you was to win it. So you must win the race. Tell me, what is your name? So after a long conversation only, Ram Narayanan now only is asking the boy's name. What is your name? Asked Ram Narayanan. Tarun Kapoor. So what is the boy name? Full name? Tarun Kapoor. What is telling? Tarun Kapoor, sir. Okay. Tarun, I will meet you here after 5 days to give you your participation card. So what Ram Narayanan is telling, I will meet you after 5 days and I'll give you the participation card. Okay. All the best. So Ram Narayanan is telling all the best for you. And left. He was leaving from that place. On the home, Tarun thought that his father had not scolded him, he wouldn't have got this opportunity. Why he came to this park? Because his father scolded him. His friends teased him. So he was thinking, if his father had not scolded him, he wouldn't have come to this place. Okay, he was thinking like that. The next day brought a new ray of hope. So next day, okay, when he wake up, he has a new ray of hope. Okay, Tarun got up early. So he got up early and had milk. Before his mother could finish his query on what he was up to, he ran out. So before his mother is asking him any question, he ran out from the place and went to the Nehru Stadium to check the details of the race. Why he was going to the Nehru Stadium? To check the details of the race. He was very happy. Now Tarun was very happy. Tarun started practicing zealously. What is the meaning of zealously? With great energy. Okay, so he already interested in running and he got an opportunity in participating in the race. So he is very much interested and zealously means with great energy he was practicing. Every day he would get up at 4 in the morning. So what Ram Narayanan told, he will give the participation card. So before that he is getting training in the Nehru Stadium. So he got up early at 4 in the morning. Okay, 4 o'clock he got up and ran up to 10 miles. So every day he was running up to 10 miles. In the evenings, he would time himself according to the 1,000-meter distance prescribed by the competition. So the competition prescribed distance is 1,000 meter. So he was practicing that much of distance every day. He wanted everything to be perfect. So Tarun wanted everything to be perfect. It was for the first time in his life that he was demanding such perfection in things he did, he thought. So this is the first time he shows perfection, okay, in his life. He also wanted someone to back him up, so he told everything to his mother. So Tarun need some support, so he told everything to his mother. Tarun practiced vigorously for 5 days. Okay, Tarun practiced for 5 days and then promptly met Ram Narayanan to collect his participation. What Ram Narayanan told, after 5 days, I will give you the participation card. Now, after practicing for vigorously, and then he got the going to meet the Ram Narayanan to collect his participation card. He gazed at the piece of paper on which his name had been printed boldly. So, in the participation card, his name was printed boldly. Okay, boldly means in capital letter. Boldly, it was printed. It means so much to him. So he was very happy to see the name in the participation card. However hard, I must win this race, thought B. So he was thinking, I must win this race. Who was thinking? Tarun. He wanted to show his father that he was not really the black sheep of the family, and he could be good at something at least. So he wanted to show his father he has talent. Okay. Talent, and he was not really the black sheep of the family. Black sheep, I told you. Okay, a group of sheep, in between one black sheep, it looks hard and they will separate it. The same way, he doesn't want to be separated from the family. It was 14th November, bowing low, so the date has come. Okay, it was 14th November, bowing low for the blessings of his mother. So November 14th has come, bowing low for the blessing. So he is asking blessings from his mother. Tarun pedaled away to the stadium. So he went to the stadium. There was a huge crowd in the stadium. Did you see any competition held? Means there must be a huge crowd. Okay. In the same way, there was a huge crowd waiting to go inside. Okay, there are lots of crowd is waiting to go inside. Tarun entered the office where a signboard read. So, when he was entering the office, where is a signboard is there? Signboard. In the signboard, they written participants only. In the signboard, they written one. What is that? In that print, participant only. With his heart beating faster every second. So his heart is beating faster because he is going to participate in the race. Inside, there were about 50 participants waiting for the race to begin. So inside, 50 participants are waiting to participate in the race. He felt someone patting him on the shoulder. So he was in a what is that? He has a thrilling mood, and he felt someone patting. Someone is patting means touching his shoulder. Hello Tarun, it was Ram Narayan. All the best, he said affectionately. So he is ready for the race. Suddenly, who came? Ram Narayanan came and he touched his shoulder, and what Ram Narayanan told, he is giving wishes. All the best, said affectionately. Did you understand? So it is a conversation between Ram Narayanan and the little boy. So he is going to participate in the race. If he wins the race, Ram Narayanan will give the training to the boy. Tarun smiled at him. So Tarun smiled at Ram Narayan, but did not say a word. He did not say any word. Fear has gripped him from head to foot. So he has a fear. head to foot, he has a fear. All the participants lined up. So all the participants are lined up. Okay. Participants means those who are going to indulge in the race. All the participants lined up. Every face glittered with the hope of winning the race. So all the participants are standing on the line. Each face are glittering. Glittering means shining. Okay. And then they have a hope to win the race. Each one of them had his family. So all the participants had their family, okay, and friends in the stands to cheer for him. So to cheer for him, all the parents and all the family and friends, they are standing in the stadium. Tarun caught up. To his amazement, Tarun caught sight of his mother in the stand. So Tarun was watching his mother also standing in the stadium. The fear in his eyes gave way to confidence. So first he has fear. Now he has confidence. The whistle blew. So the race is going to start. The whistle blew. All the participants started off. So once the whistle blew means all the participant is started to run. All the participants started off with all their might. They were all determined to be the winner of the race. Okay. Determined means what? Very, very important word. Okay, firm. So determined. Tarun caught sight of his mother. The fear in his eyes gave way to confidence. The whistle blew. All the participants started off with all their might. They were all determined to be the winner of the race. In the lead of the fastest of them all, Tarun. Okay. Now the game was started. The whistle blew. All the participants are running. So who is the first one? Tarun is the first one in the race. He was running. Seeing himself ahead of everybody, Tarun felt very proud of himself. Okay. So he was the first one. He was very, very proud to run. On the track there was a shallow path. As he was running fast, Tarun did not notice that and he slipped. So there was a shallow path. A shallow path means way. In that shallow path, he was slipped. Okay, when he was running, he was slipped. Breathing fast, he saw the other kids going past him. So Tarun was started running in between. He was slipped, and what happened? All the participants are going forward. Okay, he could not bear a loser today. And so without wasting a second, he got up to run once more. So Tarun was slipped. So in his thought, what he is having, he want to win the race. So he suddenly got up and started running. Being quick, Tarun overtook a few kids. So he overtook a few kids ahead of him. As a fate had it, he slipped once again. So what happened? First he slipped and again he slipped. What was happening to him? He could not bear it. He looked into the crowd and saw his mother. So he cannot imagine what was happening. One time he was slipped, again he was slipped. So he looked into the crowd. So he was looking at the crowd and saw his mother. So Tarun saw his mother. She was saying something to him. So the mother was saying something to him. Get up, son, get up and run. So who is telling? His mother is telling. Get up, son, get up, run fast. So Tarun got up once again. So, after hearing the mother's voice, Tarun got up once again. He was among the last few. Okay, so there are so many participants. After he was slipped, he cannot reach first. So, what happened? He was among the last few. He did not give up. So, he did not give up the hope. Once more, he overtook some children. So, again he was started running and he overtook the children. Since he was spreading a little too much, he fell a third time. So, first time he was slipped, second time he was slipped, again he was slipped. The third time also he was slipped. What happened? So, we will see. Tears were rolling down his cheeks. So what happened? The third time also he was slipped. The tears was rolling down his cheeks. How will he get into Ram Narayanan's training now? Okay, what Ram Narayanan condition? If he wins the race, he will give him a training. So now he is not the winner. So he thought everything and he was very, very sad. How will he prove to his parents that he was talented? If he not win the race, how will he will prove to his family he has a talent? He was the last kid on the track now. So what a sad thing. So he was the last one on the track now. He turned his eyes towards the stands. Then he heard Ram Narayanan screaming. Scream means shouting. Who is shouting? Ram Narayanan screaming from somewhere. Come on, Tarun, run fast. Who is telling? Ram Narayanan. So he got up a third time. So he got up again from the third time. This 12-year boy. So now only they have mentioned the age. 12-year-old determined boy who was lost on the track got up and ran with all the strength he had. Okay, so he is a determined boy and he was lost on the track, got up. So after slipping also he got up and ran with all the strength he had. The crowd was cheering for Pavan, the boy who had won the race. So who won the race? Tarun won the race? No. Pavan, another boy who won the race. But Tarun surprised. So all the crowds are cheering for Pavan. So he won the race. But Tarun surprised, there was a louder applause when he crossed the finishing line. Okay, the crowd is giving cheer up for Tarun also. Why? Because after slipping also he got up and ran. The audience cheered for his determination. So the audience cheered for his determination and his valor for never giving up. He bowed his head with shame. So he is not the winner. So he felt very, very shame. And his head was like this and said to Ram Narayanan. So the boy in a sad voice, he was speaking to Ram Narayanan. I am sorry, sir. So the boy is giving the reply to Ram Narayanan. I am sorry, sir. I lost in the game. Who is telling? The boy. No, son. So, the Ram Narayanan replying, no, son. To me, you have won the toughest race. So, Ram Narayanan is telling, so don't feel sad. You have won the toughest race. The race of your life. So, you have won the race of your life. You got up and started afresh each time you fell. So, you fell 3 times. Again you got up and you are started running. So, you won the toughest race of your life. Who told? Ram Narayanan told to the little boy. And then you are a real hero. So, Ram Narayanan is telling you are the real life hero. your training starts tomorrow. So Ramnarayan is telling, I will give you training tomorrow itself. Tarun could not believe his ears. So Tarun could not believe his ears. Tears filled his eyes again. So again Tarun was started crying. He smiled at his mother who hugged him. So when he saw his mother, his mother hugged him and said, "You are the best son in the world." Okay, his mother told, "You are the best son in the world." So in the beginning, his parents didn't identify his talent, but at last his family identified his talent, and his mother told, "You are the best son in the world." So this is a beautiful lesson. So all should learn this lesson and enjoy the story. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me through mobile. Okay, any doubt I will clarify your doubts. Okay, so I am the class teacher for you. Okay, any doubt you can ask me. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum.